Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. Today I want to preview one of the coolest features that will be coming soon to OpenBOM is the import from spreadsheet, import from Excel, or import from Google Sheet. But what I will demonstrate is how you can also import images inside of OpenBOM catalogs or bill of materials. So imagine I do have the GK a catalog, and I exported this catalog in a Google spreadsheet. So you can export it from other places. You might have your own catalogs with the data and bill of materials information that you manage. What is important that you have this information, you also have images. So how we can get this information in OpenBOM? Let's imagine I would like to create a catalog from the spreadsheet and continue to use these parts inside of OpenBOM bill of materials. So what I do in OpenBOM, I use the import command. You're probably familiar with this already. And I import catalog from spreadsheet. So you already probably seen that we have a new feature coming from Google Sheet. So that would be import from Google Sheet. The same thing works from Excel. Now let me connect with one of my accounts and Google Sheet with the data that I had. Now that was the line was number 1. And the part number was as expected, so import, and here you go. We have an OpenBOM catalog with images. I think it's really cool. So thank you very much. The feature will be coming soon in the next OpenBOM release. Have a good day.